Hi guys, and welcome back here to the channel. And today we've got something quite exciting, and that is that DJI has gone ahead and officially unveiled a brand new drone. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So seems like DJI is going to start releasing products in a different way to what we're used to. Back in the past, the way DJI would do this is we would get a teaser about a week and a half before the actual unveil of a brand new product, and then DJI would go ahead and do the official unveil, present to the world, drop the trailer, and at that moment in time would also have made the product, whatever it might have been, available for sale. Now seems like DJI is kind of moving away from that, and seems like they're gonna go ahead and try a new strategy. So what DJI is doing for this new launch is that they went ahead and they shared with us a teaser of a drone that is going to be launching on March the 26th. So that's about 2 weeks away. Nonetheless, literally just 3 days ago, all of a sudden on a Thursday, DJI decided to drop the bomb and pretty much unveil their new drone, which is going to be called the DJI Avata 360. But we don't know the specs, we don't know the price, and we don't know when we will be able to purchase that product. Will that work for DJI? I don't know. I don't know if people are going to lose the interest. For me, whenever all of the build-up happened, all of the skepticism and mystery, and then the product launch, I will just buy my drone right away. But with this new strategy, I would personally kind of lose interest. So DJI will make available, or at least officially unveil, and we will know the specs of the Avata 360 on March the 26th. So that's not this Thursday, but the following. So at that point in time, we will know all of the official specs, price, all of that kind of stuff. Now there's a big caveat to that, and that's because I just received some insider info, and that is that the Avata 360 will not be available for purchase until April the 9th. So that's almost in 3 weeks. So it's pretty crazy. I don't know if that's gonna work for DJI, but in the meantime, don't worry. Along this week and the next, I'm gonna go ahead and be breaking all of the Avata 360 for you guys, giving you all of the pricing, all of the specs, all of the good stuff before all of you guys actually get to see the official unveil. So if you want to go ahead and see all of that good stuff, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications in the channel so you can keep up to date with our next set of videos dropping this week, which you won't want to miss out on. But with that being said, this is Drone Emotion signing out.